Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly quick tip. Today we're going over how to find a job or internship with Career Shift. Last week we talked about Handshake, and we also have Career Shift with our office, which is another free job and internship search platform that is free to our students and alumni. So to get started, you can access Career Shift by clicking on the Career Development tab on our ELCDC page. So it's not right on the main page, but it is under Career Development and is the first thing we list under Career and Job and Internship resources. So you can't miss it. Once you click to the Career Shift homepage, you'll want to hit sign up now if it's the first time you're using Career Shift and you still need to set up your account. Once you click on sign up now, it'll let you fill in different boxes to set up your profile. You can choose your own password, choose your own security questions. All we ask is that you use your Albright email to set up your account and then use Albright as the group school identifier. And this will help make sure that it remains free for you because then it's associated with us. Once you set up your initial use, your account, everything squared away, whenever you go back to Career Shift, you can just use member login and use your Albright email, whatever password you chose, to log in after that. Once you get to your home page on Career Shift, you'll see, just like Handshake, you have a few different options of different resources and tools. Currently, they also have a really interesting blog on their homepage with different articles. And then they also have a resource for if you're using Career Shift during the pandemic to see who is hiring, who is currently on a hiring freeze, where different places are hiring. So it's a really cool resource if that's in the position that you need right now. In general, the main key points for Career Shift is that it's a job search platform. Obviously, that's where you would go to search for jobs and internships. There's also two options to research contacts and research companies. If you're looking for contacts, you can put in the name, and this is a really good resource if maybe you're getting ready for an interview. You can look up the person that you're going to be interviewing with to learn more about them. Same with companies, if you want to do some research on maybe what a company does, what's their mission, who are some of their competitors, what's their profit margins, some of the really basic information that you would need to know, if not before you apply for a position, definitely before your interview. For documents, you can actually upload your resume and cover letter, different materials you may need. Maybe it asks for references or a personal statement, things like that. You can store the documents right on Career Shift and it will hold them for you so that in case anything would ever happen to your computer, they are saved there within your account. You can also keep track of campaigns. This is not utilized very frequently by Albright students, and that's okay, but it is a nice way to kind of keep all of your application materials together for certain opportunities. And for calendar, it's a place where you can add in, I applied on this day, so I need to follow up on this day, or my interview is this day, so I don't forget. Again, a really neat tool for you to use in whatever way is most effective for you. You will also see on the left-hand side everything that we just went over in a similar kind of view, and that will stay there all the time, so you can easily go back and forth between sections. So I'm assuming you want to look for a job or an internship. That's why we're here. So once you click on the Jobs tab, you'll come to a new screen that has a lot of different boxes and things you can fill out and filters. And that's why I really like Career Shift, because you can really force it to give you the results that you want to get. The great thing about Career Shift is that once you give it the parameters, it does all the searching for you. So once you tell it, this is what I'm looking for, it will search through different company websites. It'll search through HR platforms. It will search through Indeed and Monster and Career Builder, all those other platforms, and bring everything to you all in one spot. So it's kind of a one-stop shop that you can use to supplement what you find on Handshake. So to get started, you'll want to find a keyword that matches your area of interest. And don't be afraid to play around with keywords and try different things and phrases to see what gives you the best results for what you're looking for. And sometimes it's helpful to try multiple keywords as well. You know, you may try, let's say, social media one time and then marketing another time and then content writing the next time. So they're all in a similar vein, but they may give you different results, but they, all are related to what you're interested in. To find something that's geographically close to you, and again, you can do your internship at home. You could do it while you're at Albright. So depending on where you're looking, this may be really helpful. Use the zip code for where you're based, so whether that be Albright College or wherever your home is, and then your search radius. So would you want to be within 5 miles of home, within 10 miles, within 25 miles? I believe it goes up to 50 miles. So how far and how comfortable are you going that distance with the transportation that you have? If you click on job type, you can specify whether you're looking for an internship, whether you're looking for something full-time, part-time, temporary. You may choose to do this, you may not, it's totally up to you. But you can use some of the other filters to really fine-tune and tailor your results as well. So for example, you can say, I need H-1B status. I need positions that were posted within the last 2 weeks. I want, within just this metro area because I'm not as familiar with the area. There's a lot of different ways that you can really fine tune and make sure you're getting the results that are the best fit for you. So congratulations, you found something that you're really excited about. You'll get your results in a list, which is really nice and easy to keep track of. If you're at a point where you can't apply for a job right away, again, maybe like Handshake, you want to bookmark it so that you can go back to it another time, you do have that option for each position. It will, again, bookmark it and keep it in a separate folder for you. If you click on the title of the position, it will actually take you to wherever it wants you to apply. So whether it wants you to apply through their company website, through Indeed, through a third-party HR platform, wherever it wants you to go, again, it's trying to take all that extra steps and process out of your search. So it will take you to directly where it wants you to apply, and that's where you can read more about the description and read more about the requirements and make sure that it's a good fit for you before you apply. You can also look to find contacts, see if there's anyone you know there. You can share the job. Maybe you want to run it by your faculty advisor to make sure that it will count for your internship requirements. Or maybe you want me to look over it to make sure it's not a scam. Or maybe you're like, hey, this doesn't fit for me, but it might be helpful for my roommate. So you do have that option to share the job with others. And another cool thing is you can locate this job. So if you're going to a place that maybe you aren't as familiar with, if you click on locate this job, it'll actually take you to Google Maps so you can see a better frame of reference of where it is and maybe what public transportation spots it's near. Is it near somewhere good for lunch? All the just little details that can help make a big difference as you're deciding where to go. So that's an overview of Career Shift. I hope this was beneficial for you. If you have any questions or want some help with your job or internship search, not only with Career Shift, but also with Handshake or just in general, you know where to find us at the ELCDC. So please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.